That's pretty cool. We're in this little gold mining ghost town, and they got the assay office, which is the outhouse. It's pretty funny. All right, Christy and I are on an adventure. She's already crossed the creek. Anyway, we came up to this little area called, just out of Marysville, Utah. And it's called Bullion Falls. Bullion like gold bullion, because I guess we're in a old ghost town, old gold mine area. We found this little park here called Miners Park that has a bunch of mining equipment and historical mine artifacts and a interpretive trail and all that. And we're gonna check that out. But little touches of red coming in on these leaves, pretty awesome. Looks like Christy's off on a bushwhack adventure, her favorite thing. Woohoo! There's a sign.
Bullion Falls 1 mile.
1 mile to the falls. Okay. This trail is pretty steep and steady. If you get tired, you can sit on this bench, or if you bring your own mattress, you can have a bed. Yeah, the yellows are popping on this trail too. Even over here on the sagebrush. Pretty. Light rain setting in. Look at that rock up there. It's cool to see the water droplets on the leaf. All right, we're starting to get some views of the canyon. You got that grove of aspens up there, it's real pretty. And then if you look on the hillside here, you can see some old mining claims and tailings piles right there, and another one right there. Pretty cool. And I think the falls are up in that cliff band somewhere. We're getting close. Okay, so there's a little sign here called Cascade Falls. I did not see that on the map, but it must be a secondary falls. Oh, there they are. They're actually up on the hill. Okay, so they're right there. I'll try to zoom in. They're little falls, but they're up there. All right, we come to another sign directing us the way. Bullion Falls. Now, it looks like there's an old structure or something that was here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so we got the maples are starting to change color. That's where you get your vibrant reds and oranges. And the aspens, they're giving you the yellows. The oak brushes are giving you the reds. Super pretty. Love this time of year. All right, the sounds of the river are getting stronger. Must mean we're getting close to where they come over those cliff bands. It's pretty in here. Figured I'd stop and show you the scenery. Give me a chance to get my heart rate down, because this trail has no shortness of steep. There is Bullion Falls. Check that out, that is cool. Okay, so here's the junction in the trail. So 74 goes off up the mountain, and this is the cutoff. It goes down and gets better. Look at those falls right there. Wow, they are pretty. Heck yeah. All right, look at those falls behind us. Oh, heck yeah. That was worth the hike. Let's climb down there and take a closer look. Okay, we're making our way down this little steep little trail here to get down to the falls. Getting closer. Wow, that is amazing. Heck yeah. Okay, so we were on the trail and we ran into this couple from Salt Lake, and we're going to let them introduce themselves. See if we can get up here to get them all on camera.
Should I get behind you?
Well, let's see.
You might need to...
There we go. We got everybody. We got the falls and everything. Anyway, hello. It's nice meeting you.
Miller.
I'm Martin Miller.
Awesome. It was awesome talking with you and meeting with you. And
yeah.
We love it up here in the Tushers.
Sharing journeys. So that's pretty awesome. Let's get a picture. Wow, so this fall is amazing. It does impress for sure. Look at that. That is just spectacular. Well, looks like we're going to try to scurry down this little thing here.
Yep.
It's pretty steep, so I'm going to put the camera away. Okay, so here on the trail description, they said there was a little rope to help you get down to the falls because it's so steep. So it's actually like a towing strap for a vehicle. And there goes Christy. Adventurous. Woohoo! Right on. It's going to be amazing from down below. Can't wait to get down there. Got the purple flowers hanging on. Little white one. So there's the waterfall. It comes down and feeds this little creek. There's Christy. And it's just a series of little cascade falls going on down. And it just feeds that little canyon right there. All right, we hiked to Bullion Falls, and it's amazing. It's only maybe a mile from the trailhead, but I'll tell you what, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. This is
so
spectacular.
Pretty.
I took the drone up, and there's a waterfall up canyon just a little bit I got a picture of, and then down canyon there's another waterfall just maybe 50 yards from us. You can't see. It's going off a cliff. It's really cool. So
It's beautiful.
beautiful
All
area.
the moss.
Just everything about this is really cool. So I'm glad we came and discovered it. And
Yeah.
awesome. I'll do it again. Really
yeah.
cool.